Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how you can change your location in booking.com. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to log into your booking.com account. Okay, and then here you can book your stays, flights, flight plus hotel, car rental, attractions, and more. Okay, so once you are done, of course, we have to make sure that our address is updated. So just tap on your profile right here at the top right, and then go to the My Account option. Okay, and then you just have to scroll down all the way here and go to the manage account, and you have here now your personal details. So just simply tap on this one. Okay, and then after that, just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then here, just going to update our address. Okay, as well as our nationality. So let's start with our nationality. So we are going to choose Philippines. That's right. And then for our address, so you just have to save the first one and then edit or update your address. So you just have to select your country or your region, and then you just have to add your street address, your town, city, and your zip code. After that, you just have to simply tap on the save option. Okay, so after that, you're now good to go and then book your hotels plus flight or just your flight. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.